Hi guys, this is Noriel of I Am a Super User and welcome back to my channel. And maybe you watched the video that I uploaded yesterday about the Moon Nation game and the Moon Nation bridge, which cannot change the gaming crypto world, and you're positive about it and you believe about the project. And maybe your next question is how you can buy the MNG token and start earning. So don't worry, this video is for you. So let's jump into it. Alright, so for this video, we're going to use Binance and MetaMask. So first, you need to go to your MetaMask wallet. And this will be the first thing that you'll see by default. It's in the Ethereum mainnet. So you need to add the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so how to do that, I'm going to show you. So by following this instruction from Binance.com, academy.binance.com. So go again to your wallet and click here and click custom RPC and just follow the instruction here by just typing. Yep, I already did this earlier. So yep, that's it. So just type in all of the details as you see here. So I'm not going to add it right now. So I'm just showing you how to do it. So just save after that. So I already did this earlier, and let me change back to my main account. So once you already added the Binance Smart Chain, you should be able to select it from here. And I have here the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Alright, so I got 0.011 BNB on my account and some MNG already. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead now. Let's go back to our Binance and let's send some BNB to this to our wallet, to our MetaMask wallet. Alright, so I'm on my Binance account, so I'm going to select BNB. So it should be withdraw. Click withdraw. And the address that you need here should be the MetaMask address. So go back to your MetaMask and click here. So copy to clipboard. It will copy your account address. Copy. And paste it here. And then the amount, you can select the max amount or the maximum that you have, or you can actually customize it like 0.9. Okay, let's do that, 0.9. And then once you confirm the address and the amount that you want to withdraw, just click on the withdraw button here, confirm, continue. And you'll need to verify these codes. So this is good to secure your account. Alright, once all done, just click submit, complete, and you'll see here at the bottom it says awaiting approval. Just try to refresh. Yep, now it's processing. So it might take 1 to 3 minutes. Sometimes just really quick, just a second. And once done, actually you will receive an email confirming the status of your withdrawal. Alright, I got the email confirmation. So let's just confirm by refreshing here. And it says complete or completed. Now let's go back to our MetaMask and it should reflect our balance. There you go. So we have 0.9106 BNB right now. So we can go ahead right now to PancakeSwap and buy some MNG. Alright, so go to PancakeSwap.finance and then we have to connect our account, or we have to connect our MetaMask here. So just click connect. Click MetaMask and it should automatically connected, or maybe if it's your first time to connect, it should ask for some verification that you just have to click continue or connect and you're good. Alright, so the next step that we need to do is to go here on the left side, trade, exchange, and we can max our balance. And alright, yeah, usually, by the way, usually you cannot see the MNG here. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's weird, but this is how you're gonna do it. So click on V1 old and click again to go to V2 exchange. Alright, close this one and let's do it again. Click on your max balance, or if you want you can just 0.6 or something, then type or search for the MNG. There you go. So you can actually max this. I want to max it, right? And my current balance for my MNG right now is 30469. So let's go ahead and buy some MNG right now. So click on swap, confirm swap. It should have an error, I'm sure. There you go. And I see a lot of this in the Telegram, so it's normal. So just click on dismiss and just adjust your number here. So let's say 80. Let's try 4800. Yeah, let's try it. Swap, confirm swap. There you go. That works. Confirm and close. So it should take some time, maybe a few seconds or minutes to complete. So let's check here. Yep, still pending, and I think it's already successful. There you go. So we successfully added the MNG here in our account, and we now have 43,790 MNG in our account. So that's how you buy MNG using your MetaMask here in PancakeSwap. Right, next video will be the same process, but it's not on MetaMask. It should be on the another wallet, the Trust wallet. So for now, you're good to go. Set up your account and follow the instruction here in this video. And yep, buy some MNG. You don't want to be left behind on Earth when we're going to the moon. Alright guys, bye for now.